Hi, my name is Esther. My grandpa got me this 24-inch pipe wrench, and he got it at a garage sale, and it's really rusty, so we're going to use reverse electrolysis to remove the rust. The first thing we need is a direct current power source, so we have this laptop charging cord, and we're going to strip the wire. Here we go. There we go. And then we're going to take off these. There. We'll twist those ones too. So then we need to identify which one is the negative wire and which one is the positive wire. And I have a diagram on this. It shows the one on the outside, right there, is the negative wire. And the one on the inside, there, is the positive wire. So the next step is to get a big bucket and fill it up with water and suspend the pipe wrench in it. So we need to increase the conductivity of the water. So we're going to pour baking soda in it. Throw it around. It's cold. So let's take apart the pipe wrench. And we're going to suspend it in the water. We're going to use this copper wire to suspend the parts from the wood into the water, and it's also going to carry the electrical current. So we're going to hook this stripped copper part in here and make sure it's making contact with the thing. Side. Now we're going to twist the tops of these wires together. And we're going to use this alligator clamp to connect those to the negative part over here. So we're going to use this piece of scrap metal as a sacrificial anode. So we're going to clamp it in here. And then wrap copper wire around it. We're going to put another piece of scrap metal on the other side. We can't let it touch any of the other parts or the any of the tools. And we'll put wire on this side. We'll wire these ends together. Then we're going to use this alligator clip to connect those ones to this positive wire. So then we'll plug it in and we'll leave it running for a couple of hours and see what it does. So it's been a couple hours and we've unplugged it, and now we're going to unhook everything, and then we're going to take everything out and clean it. We've got mineral spirits here, so we're going to start by wiping this off that. So we're going to use this toothbrush to get into the hard to reach places, like where these letters are and stuff. So now we're going to clean it off with this wire brush. I need to mask it off and paint it, but the jaw, the adjustable part, and the nut won't be painted, so we need to mask those. So now it's time to paint it. And I thought that we should paint it purple, but my grandfather said that I'm his legacy, so I guess we have to use stock colors. We're going to paint it in light coats, like this. Oh, while this is drying, we're going to go clean up the other pieces. So now we're going to clean these. Okay, now we're going to put a few drops of oil on it to protect it. We'll put a couple of coats of paint on the handle and wait for it to dry, and then we'll put it back together. The paint's all dry, and now it's time to take off the tape. So there's that. And we're going to put the piece back on.